Audience Gaming. Today we're back with another video, and today we're back for another time posted for last episode. So last episode I am so really crazy. So really crazy. Today we're back. Of course we're back. We're not gonna leave that dime place. Yeah, guys, we're back. We're back. Calm down, Gage here. The heck? Oh, virus trash. Phone getting slow. Is a phone? Oh, there is some. Get away in there. What the heck? And I'm not gonna go into my anywhere. So we're not gonna be in that. Sorry guys, we're gonna downloading. Ayan, cute serious little kalakaral to. So it's cool. Pixel gun. Nah, it's not Pixel gun 3D. Not boring. Pixel gun craft 3D. Oh no, I didn't do that. Pixel launcher. Wow. Pixel Dead, that's my favorite, okay? Black Force, I know it. Black Force, I don't know that. Color Switch, am I gonna download that? Wave Weapon Gun. Pixel Zombie Hunter. Great Thief Auto. Wow, amazing. Pokemon Hunter. Smashy Road. Wanted. Real Steel World Robot Boxing versus Whoa! Oh, there are new robots in a Real Steel. Zag, Zernout, First, Non-Stoppable, the Non-Stoppable Force, the Arctic Storm. The Stingtail. Stingtail, what the heck? Oh, it's my favorite. Is that again? Oh, it's Adam. Zeus 5 ouchie, they're really so fishing. Great Killer, are you the Great Killer? No, man, it's me. Real Steel. Oh my God. Steel Street. It's Steel Street. Oh no, look at my percent. Call of Mini Zombie, that's danger, okay? In my opinion, only, of course, why not? Pixel Gun 3D mod for MCPE. Oh, Pixel Gun 3D mod for MCPE. Guys, come over here, guys. Just watch this. Just watch my channel. Pixel Gun 3D mod for MCPE. It's just a picture. I want mod. Minecraft Story Mode mod. That is a picture. See? Oh no. Skins from Minecraft. I'm not gonna take that. Minecraft Back Edition. I'm not gonna take that too. Scare me the pixel. I'm gonna take that too. I don't know. Go play games. I might get that. Discover great game achievement in the high scores. Look at that face, so ugly, okay? Look at the face. Oh, that's So let's open this. Play now. What? What a nerd. Yeah. What the heck? Oh, he's discovering new games. Oh my! Oh my God! I really miss these games. I'm really delete it. Wow. Something went wrong. Try again later. Mad pixel, bloody pixel, okay? Still dead of the bloody games. Blah, 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 blah. Try for zombie and craft weapons by collecting materials. Survival FPS game. Look at this crazy boss. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. AK. Oh, look at that. It's a hammer. Oh, look at that. This is a boss in there. Okay. Pixel red. Oh my God. So scared. Oh my God. It's so spiky. Oh my God. What do you got? Oh, look at that. Why is a zombie in there? What the heck? Are you playing the application? Whoa, what is all that street? Game achievement leaderboards. Store, share. Hand zombies through easy control, automatic shooting, and various weapons. And craft powerful weapon. Gathering materials from zombie. The materials are able to be collected from each map. Machine guns, bazooka, pistols, axes, and grenade. Futures, weapon crafting system, automatic shooting system, various map, various monsters, ranking system. Wow. Players! No one, play this game yet. Whoa! I'm still in here, guys. Their house. Black HTT? What the heck? Black HTT. Pixel Dead are for installing for the application that need for the MCP. Oh, thank you guys for watching and see you guys next for the new video.